guys, it's me, Frida. I'm outside. And the baby horse. Ew, it smells, but it's still so cute. Hi, doggy. How are you? Oh, it does smell like poo, by the way. Baby goat.
I'm scared of you, seriously.
Hi, baby goat. I'm scared of the goats.
I know, I'm scared of the big ones.
Hiya, hiya.
Don't hit
Yeah,
it,
they
I
look-
hit you back.
Goodbye then. Let's go to the chickens. Doggy, patience. Just patience. Patience, doggy. I said patience. I'm not scared, aren't they? I'll be like that in the morning.
Ah.
Boo! They are scared of me. I'm ugly. Is it? Want to try?
Don't use one of those things.
Ugh. So kawaii. Ah!
Seriously, don't get that. You don't put that in my mouth.
They licked it.
Oh,
Grab it. It's
yeah, they licked it back.
grab it. Just wash it. Then
Oh, I'm scared of you. Let's go all the
here,
They're creeping
just
me
grab it
out.
from the middle. But the baby goat is so kawaii.
I know.
And also the baby horsey. I'm gonna call you Sparkalicious.
It's a boy.
Oh, Lord of Crud.
Yeah, you can see that.
I could see that actually. Come on, Ayla. It's just a dog. They're so kawaii. Well, bye.